Alright, man. What I gotta do today is pretty simple yet pretty hard. Check it out. Come here, babe. Take a look at this.
Yeah.
How's this look to you? How's that look to you?
Not okay.
Exactly. That right there, man, is not okay. They use freaking end caps on a camper. You don't do that. My steps today is to maybe get this looking way better than that, because that just looks like dog shit. I'll simply just take them apart one at a time, babe. Because obviously this green one's going to this white, it looks like. Like, man, they must have swapped out taillights or something on this. Green to yellow, like, yeah, they must have swapped out taillights. Like. I can't believe, like the lady that had me before this, I can't picture her doing this because she's a little old lady and shit. About to take the dog out for a walk. I figured I'd let him check out the camper progress, and this is a spot. This is gonna be a spot when we go on road trips and stuff. Alright, people. Since I'm doing the tail lights, I have to look at my old sheet of 1-inch thick insulation out here and look under here. Now, I ain't gonna lie. My chassis is a little rusty, man. It looks like someone built that on there. It looks like shit. Yeah, we live in the East Coast. It is what it is, like I said. I found a wire that was broken right here, which is actually, I mean, it's bad, but it's also a good thing, because I friggin' knew, man, something wasn't right, something wasn't working properly, so hopefully when I hook that back up, something else will be, you know. 6 months. That's her doing her hair, looking fine as ever. Just got the packaging for the head gasket rebuild kit. Now, I waited a while for this, and I actually hit up the company and requested them, like, yo, I said, yo, this thing ain't here. It was a Thursday, it was supposed to come on a Monday. Pretty much it was 4 days late. Today makes it 5, but it's here and that's all that matters. Got my Facebook right here, add me, Lance Smith. Happy to accept these people. But yeah. Let me open it up and check it out. We got the head studs in here, and we got the package right here. I'm not gonna open it because it looks too nice, you know. Talk to my mechanic. Today is July 2nd. He's gonna do it. 2017. And I got me and my gorgeous girl over here painting, trying to get this ugly brown out. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing for a little bit. Watch us go. We're in no rush. We'll put 2-3 coats of this stain blocker primer on. I'll let you know how it goes. Coat number 2. Coat number 2, it's starting to look good. This is just the primer now. We're gonna put a small carpet in the middle there, but floor, we're not messing it up too bad. I mean, there's a little spot here and there. We'll wipe it up with some rubbing alcohol. That's why I love this floor I chose. But yeah, it's coming out good. We gotta get that brown out, that poopy brown color. Got these out here with the first coat. Coming out pretty good. We're using some Kilts, premium high hide stain blocker, and then I couldn't afford the burr, so I just went with Glidden Diamond interior paint and primer. 100% acrylic. It's outstanding scrubbability, washability, and stain resistant, which is perfect for us because we're gonna be scuffing it up and stuff. Even though I say no choosing the camper, we'll see how that goes. Yeah, it's coming out beautiful. Me and my girl's getting down and dirty, man. I'll let you know how it goes when we put the third coat on. Okay, we got the third coat on there. This is just the primer / stain blocker. We figured 3 nice coats to get that brown out, which it did. And I mean, it probably could use another one, but we're gonna throw 2 nice coats of the white. So, semi-gloss, the satin, pure white. And that should really do it. We got 3 coats on this because this was a little bit harder. Then we got the trim done, which I'm going to acrylic after we paint it white. I'm going to acrylic it because it's where your shoes and feet are going to be laying up on. Easy to wipe down. I'm going to wind up cleaning these brushes and wrapping it up for the night. Me and my girl killed it. This guy. He has a he has a boom box for him as well. Riding his bike and shit. But yeah. That's good enough for the night. Primer. We'll wait that dry perfect tomorrow before we put the white on. How you feel about it, babe?
Good.
She feels good about it. I feel good about it. Clean these brushes out. Try to save this bin. And wrap it up for the night. I brought her out to a more shaded area at my girl's house. And it's nice shady, not in the sun. So it's gonna be a lot cooler in here. Got the taping on. I'm gonna start by just taping around everything, taping everything off, which I should have did in the first place, but it's alright, I can do it again. So yeah, taping everything off pretty much, taking off the cabinets, taking all the hardware off, putting them in there, and then getting them ready to paint. Come together. Got my girl painting in the inside, it's looking so good. Got the camper plugged into the shore power, and everything's working great. I'm excited. You know, all my LEDs are working fine, even on this side. As you can see, remember this bulb must be blown. This is working. Water pump's working, sucking up. Yeah. I got my girl in here painting. I'm out here doing my thing. With these doors to the cabinets. It's looking good. I'm feeling good about it. I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, got my second coat on this side. My baby's finishing up in the details second coat. After we get them down, she'll pretty much be ready to lay the white. I still need to lay a coat on here, do the back of this one, a couple more coats on here. That back's done. I need to do the front one more coat, back one more coat, and then maybe the front one more coat of this primer. And then she'll be ready for the white paint. That's Holly, she's a slut. But yeah, looking really good white. Feels a lot bigger in here too. And it's just a primer. It's gonna look even better with the actual white. It's looking really good, people. Look at that. It's looking so much better. Besides this ugly wall, all these are coming out nice and bright. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to do these ones, but we're not doing them today or anytime soon. You know? Just get this side done for now. Get it straightened up. Alright guys, check it out. This is her. I painted this white, the stripping under the bed, so it matched. My girl's been taking her time and it's looking really good up and underneath and everywhere. All looking super good. This babe will take some alcohol wipes or something and wipe down that cord, you know? It'll clean right up. Left the table end brown right here. Leave it matching the front brown in the fridge. Feeling really good. We're on our second coat of the white that we're gonna keep. So it's gonna stay this color. So yeah, it's easy to wipe down. Of course, we'll be wiping it down. I forgot to prime a couple of these, so I just finished priming these ones. And once they're dry, I keep hitting them with this white, and then I can get them ready. I'm loving it though. Looks really good. So basically, just gonna hit it again with a third one. And I peel this shit off later after we're done. Once it dries, tacky. We want the tape to come off ASAP so it's not too sticky. Coming around to the final coating. And it's looking great, man. It's standing out bright. It's looking beautiful. My girl's doing an excellent job on this over here in the detailed area. I said, man, I gotta stay away from that because I am not too good at the detail area. I'll tell you that now. Got a little paint in the wires, but it's alright. Cat really loves this thing. He's gonna be our little chill buddy. But the white and the brown, and the lights and all the LEDs, it just looks great. I gotta do something with this wall. Hardcore. I gotta do something with this wall real bad. I might paint that soon too. I gotta figure out what color I paint the wall, because I might paint the wall the same color I paint the brown. But not sure. I kind of dig the brown. But we'll see. We're gonna keep doing as we're going, you know, babe? Cat really likes this place. These are looking good, man. You ain't seeing no more of that brown. Like, this is the gasket. You ain't gonna see the gat side. One's against the wall, one's against the roof. But yeah, I just gotta throw a couple more nice little coats on this one. Just under the fridge one I forgot to do. And maybe just double check, make sure everything's good. And when we flip these over once they dry, just the back sides, just to make sure the fronts are good. Flip over to all the fronts to make sure the fronts are perfect. One last front check.
I don't like the paint. I don't like the paint. I like the wood grain better.
Well, it's not real wood grain. It's more of a wrap. It's a particle board and they wrap it with paper. It looks like wood.
Paper wood.
Yeah, if it was official, I wouldn't have did it, but pretty much we got the setup right here. We're pretty much done. I'm gonna clean up. Freaking cat. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna clean up. When this dries, I'm gonna start putting shit. Not necessarily put these back together tonight, because that's gonna be a pain in the ass. But I'm gonna at least put the couch back and maybe the cushions, or at least just let it dry overnight. I'm probably just gonna let it dry and place everything back in there neatly and get ready to take her home. Alright. Alright, just laying in here. We're about to wrap it up for the night. I put a lot of stuff back together. And it looks a lot better, man. I can't wait to paint that wall. Same colors up there, maybe the same color as that back wall. Looks really good. Catch you next time, guys. Look at the cat wants to come in. Let's do it.
Oh, baby. The way you shake it, I can't believe it. I ain't never seen a ass like that. The way you move it, you make my PB go doing, doing, doing.